In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an Exness MT4 or metatrader 4 account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to my.exness.com. Then from here it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to sign in using either your email address or your Google ID. Once you have logged in, it should bring something like this. And now from here you'll need to go up to the left hand corner and go up to where it says My Accounts. And then from here you'll need to click Open Account. Now from here you'll need to choose the specific either Standard, Standard Send, Pro, Raw Spread, or Zero account. From here you'll just need to click Continue once you have clicked on one of these options. Once from here you'll need to be able to choose either a demo account or if you want to open a real account. You need to keep in mind that you need to deposit $10 inside of this account before it activates. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to use the demo account. From here, you'll need to change the currency, the stating balance, nickname, max leverage, and from here, you'll need to change the platform from metatrader 4 to metatrader 4. From here, you can also add a trading password, which is the same password that you'll be using once you get inside of metatrader 4. Once you're done, you'll simply need to click Create Account, and then as you can see, trading account has been successfully created. Now we can see it over here in the demo accounts and metatrader 4. And then from here, I can go up to these three dots over here and go down to account information. Now from here, I'll be able to see the name of the account and the login credentials and the server ID and login credentials for the specific account. And now it's just for me to open up metatrader 4 and then log in to the account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!